हम एक सेंट्रल वाटर टैंकर का वॉर रूम दिल्ली जल बोर्ड में सेटअप कर रहे हैं। जो भी दिल्ली वासी हैं जो चाहते हैं कि उनको वाटर टैंकर चाहिए वो 1916 पर कॉल करें। 5 तारीख से दिल्ली के हर वाटर जोन में, दिल्ली में 11 वाटर जोन्स हैं, वाटर डिपार्टमेंट के जोन्स पर एक एडीएम लेवल ऑफिसर और एक एसडीएम लेवल ऑफिसर स्टेशन किया जाएगा। वो क्विक रिस्पांस टीम्स बनाएंगे।
One such area which is reeling under water shortage is Chanakyapuri. Public can be seen standing with earthen pots in line even as sun beats down on them. Listen in to their reactions.
This is Chanakyapuri. In fact, this is one of the most posh areas in the national capital, and this is the Vivekanand camp. And I'd like to show our visuals, show our viewers the visuals here, the ground reality. The temperature is soaring. It's way above 45 degrees, and Arvind Kejriwal's promise that water will be supplied is clearly falling on its face. This lady here has been waiting here for hours. She's been waiting for the tanker to come. In fact, she's also carrying all these drums so that they can fill water as the truck comes. टैंकर आया आज सुबह से एक भी बार?
यहाँ नहीं आया मैम, यहाँ नहीं आया।
टैंकर नहीं आया?
यहाँ पे नहीं आया।
और क्या बोल रहे हैं, टैंकर आएगा एक भी बार? अभी बिना पानी के कैसे चल रहा है?
कल भरा वही चल रहा है, अभी भरेंगे, आएगा तो।
कल आया था टैंकर?
कल आया था 4:30 बजे।
अच्छा, 4:30 बजे आया था और उसके बाद 24 घंटे होने को आ गए हैं और अभी तक पानी नहीं आया?
नहीं आया, उधर आया, इधर नहीं आया।
पीने के पानी का क्या हो रहा है? खरीद के पीना पड़ता है पीने का पानी?
नहीं रहता तो मैम खरीद के पीना पड़ता है।
Nikhil joins us right now. Nikhil, which part of the national capital are you in? What's the scenes around you?
Well, Sneha, we have reported from the multiple part of the capital city, Aran Parbat and South Delhi as well, and Kusumpur Pahadi is one such area. We have seen the report from the Chanakyapuri. In fact, the BJP leaders have gone on to say that even the New Delhi area and the New Delhi constituency is also grappling with the lack of water. So this is something which is being reported from across the part of the capital city. But those camps where the marginalized section of the people are living in, that is the place where the water scarcity and the shortage of water is currently affected. But a number of measures have been taken by Atishi, which is already in the public domain. Yesterday as well, she announced a couple of measures. But we have been to multiple places where people have said that there is already a lack of water, let alone the penalty which is going to be levied against those people who are in the involvement of the water wastage, so to say. We have also tried to get in touch with the CEO of the Delhi Jal Board as well. He has said that he has no idea about the letter which has been mentioned by Atishi directly to him, and in fact he is currently on a leave and he has no idea as to what exactly is going on around in the capital city. So this is the situation at a time when the temperature is already on its all-time high. There is a water scarcity which is currently taking place. Power demand is also on the another side all-time high. But the situation continues to be grim. But we can only expect the relief and the respite once it starts raining in the capital city. And as per the prediction, starting from tomorrow, there is one active western disturbance which is going to last for 2 to 3 days. But how much impact it is going to make as far as the supply of the water is concerned, that is for the days that we will get to know. Back to you, Sneha.
Right. Nikhil, thank you very much for joining us. Now, even as citizens suffer, politics and the blame game is peaking, even as my colleague was mentioning that. The BJP is blaming the Aam Aadmi Party government, accusing them of failing the people of Delhi. In fact, women workers of the BJP held a massive protest outside Atishi's residence.
Delhi BJP workers are currently protesting against the water scarcity which is being reported from parts of the capital city. Currently we are reporting from outside the residence of Water Minister Atishi, and here the workers of the Mahila Morcha of the Bharatiya Janata Party, particularly of the Delhi unit, they have gathered here in decent number. They have come here with the placards as well, and these are the earthen pots which you see on the surface of the roads. These have been broken as a part of the protest to mark their protest against the Aam Aadmi Party. And the spokesperson as well of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Praveen Shankar Kapoor, he was here a while back. So this is the flash protest which we can say, and these are the Mahila Morcha workers who have gathered here. We will try to take a view from some of the workers who have come here, and this is because there is water scarcity which is currently taking place. आप यहाँ पे आई हैं पानी की समस्या के कारण, तो इससे क्या हल हो जाएगा?
जब तक हम अपनी आवाज नहीं उठाएंगे तब तक इनके कानों में जूं नहीं रहेगी। और हमारे घर में एक हफ्ते से पानी नहीं आ रहा है। दुखी होके हम 52 डिग्री सेल्सियस होने के बाद हम यहाँ खड़े हैं। 50 साल एज हो चुकी है हमारी। हमें बताइए हम क्या करें, हम कहाँ जाएं?
एक बार बताइए, जो आम आदमी पार्टी है वो लगातार हरियाणा सरकार पे आरोप लगा रही है कि वहाँ से पानी नहीं छोड़ा जा रहा है जो दिल्ली के हक का है।
दिल्ली की जनता पूछ रही है इनसे, हरियाणा और ये आपस में बात करें। हमें नहीं पता है हरियाणा क्या कर रहा है, लेकिन इनको हमें पानी देना पड़ेगा और पानी देंगे।
ये संकट अरविंद केजरीवाल की सरकार द्वारा पैदा किया गया है सिर्फ भ्रष्टाचार करने के लिए। दिल्ली की मंत्री आतिशी मारलेना बार बार कह रही हैं कि हरियाणा सरकार पानी नहीं देगी, लेकिन सच छुपा रही है। अभी कुछ रोज़ पहले फ्लड डिपार्टमेंट के अधिकारी हथनीकुंड बैराज जहाँ से पानी छोड़ा जाता है वहाँ गए थे, पूरा रिकॉर्ड चेक किया और वहाँ से संतुष्ट होकर लौटे कि हाँ पानी पूरा आ रहा है। लेकिन ये बात आतिशी छुपा रही है। क्यों? क्योंकि भ्रष्टाचार करना है। अब कल जो इन्होंने घोषणा की कि हम 2000 रुपये का चालान लगाएंगे, 2000 रुपये का चालान नहीं है, अब ये टैंकर माफिया को बढ़ाएंगे। कल भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता दिल्ली सचिवालय पर अरविंद केजरीवाल के खिलाफ हल्ला बोल करेंगे और दिल्ली की आवाज़ उठाएंगे।
Despite facing flack both from public and the political rivals, the Aam Aadmi Party is shifting the blame on neighbouring states of Uttar Pradesh and Haryana, accusing them of not releasing Delhi's share of water. Now, stopping there, Delhi's Minister Atishi is warning of approaching the Supreme Court to ensure the capital gets water it deserves.
दिल्ली सरकार आज इस पानी के मसले को लेकर सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस फाइल कर रही है। हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट जा रहे हैं कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट हरियाणा को और यूपी के कुछ हिस्सों से जहां पर दिल्ली का पानी आता है उनको आदेश दे कि दिल्ली वालों को उनके हक का पानी मिलना चाहिए।